can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light, 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 bring me the
distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now.